Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Malditong Trader. Alright, hey, this is my link here. We only have 10 minutes for a run. Alright, so if you want to follow me with this channel here. So we'll be analyzing some stocks right now. Alright, we'll be analyzing some stocks right now. Here on our chart is a daily chart of S&P 500. Alright, so we'll be using a Williams alligator with our own setup, and then pivots the traditional way. I already turned off the historical, so that it only shows when you're using it on daily. There are 21 candles or 21 days, and then it will change again. Every 21 days, pivots will change. Okay, so you can check it out, you can try it out. Also, pivots you can use time frame of 5 minutes. Right, it will shows you the whole day or a whole 24 or 12 days. No, I mean 12 hours, I guess, or how do you say it in your place? 8 hours of trading within the 5 minutes time frame. Alright, so here is S&P. Let's wrap it up. So if you can see it, S&P that's the Williams alligator 50. Alright, so this is our setup. If you guys are asking about me, our jaw length is 50, teeth length 13, and lips length is 5. So the below one, if you can see it, the below one, that's 50, 13, and the green one, that's the 5. Alright, 50, 13, and 5. Alright, so S&P last July it touches the 50, and then it goes up more and more. As you can see it on the RSI, this part, it get out from 50 and then turn it back to 50. Okay, the support here, we can use support on this area. Alright, so as you can see, this is our support during this area. Also this area. So the only good thing is I don't use RSI the default way. Best way to use the RSI is to set up on your own. Use it 25 weeks, 25 days, or whatsoever, daily 25 weeks. Okay, the style, my upper band or overbought is 80, and then lower band or oversold is 50. So every stocks that been running down from 49 down, I don't trade this kind of stocks because I'm not a scalper. Okay, that's my own way. So S&P, if you can see it here, S&P, it's been running quite good times right now. So it always touches the 13 area, as you can see it here. So that's the trend with our pivot line. Right, let us shoot this one, historical pivots. So as you can see, guys, most of the time when pivots are being like this one, breakouts, try to lower. So as you can see, here's a bullish bar. It breaks out from the pivot lines, and then it tried to break out the resistance one, but it didn't try it. So here we go, it tried again at resistance 1, and then it goes down again, breaks out from resistance 1, and then resistance 2, try to break out, but sad to say, and still the catches are nicely done. See, it always touches on the zone for 13 of Williams alligator. So S&P is be running quite a good thing right now. So as you can see, so this one, it might go down on this area. Alright, as you can see, the candle is trying to break out from 5. Alright, so Williams alligators are made of moving average exponential. You can check out my videos, you can follow me on YouTube. Alright, but I didn't have any uploads yet for the YouTube I always upload on my Facebook. Or Size Investment Company, you can check it out. Or Size Investment Company. Alright, I'll just type it here on my Facebook. This is my Facebook. I've been trading in the Philippine market for, it's been a while. I guess it's almost 2 years now. Alright, so you can find it on Facebook. You can follow me and you can comment there if you heard my videos here. You can watch also the Philippine market reviews every Saturday, because it's Saturday right now in the Philippines, but I'm not in the Philippines right now, but I'm trading in the Philippines. Alright, so as you can see, S&P breakout from resistance 1 again. As you can see, it didn't hit the resistance 2, and then goes down again to our pivot line, and look at that one. Now it tried to break out the resistance 1, but sad to say, goes down. So we'll see if our William Alligator 5 will hold this one, or it goes up. But as far as you can see, historically, it always touches the 13 area of Williams Alligator, and you can see it. Pivot lines are good lines. It can use for support and resistance, which is all indicators are being used for support and resistance. Alright, so that's for the S&P. I will review more stocks later. Just follow me here, and then you can check out my Facebook also. So this is my Facebook. I have a small company, startup company. As of now, I'm still looking for investors who are willing to invest in the Philippine stock market. Soon, hopefully people will go and check out my Facebook account. Alright, you can contact me there, talk to me there. If you want any market to be reviewed using the trading view, you can comment there. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to follow me always. I'll give some updates. This is my first video with the sounds, so hopefully you guys would like this one. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a nice day.